guys, Austin's Vlogs, back with another video. This video, I'm changing my truck. With my truck, I said I'd do the interior on a separate video. So yeah, I'm doing the interior. This is part 2 of my truck. Last time I washed my engine. If you haven't seen that, go to my channel, watch that first, and come back here. Alright, so first thing I'm going to start out with, I'm about to do the front, but I'm going to get this big in here because I had what do you call it? I had locked myself in the truck. I locked the keys in the truck, so with it running, so I had to get the keys out, and we had the door opened a little bit. So yeah. All right. Hi. So next thing. So next thing is this Husky wrench set, which I'm gonna put. I have the window open.
Are you seriously? Are you gonna? Do you need some bags for later?
Yeah.
Okay. Good thing I brought bags when I came.
Yeah. Go.
Here, they're right here. Here's a plastic bag.
I will need a duster. So, is there a duster over there?
Right there.
Oh, you already put it in the seat. All right. So that's some trash. Open the baggie. Open the baggie.
Let's do the small one first.
Those small ones are expensive.
No, save this one.
Yeah, this will be saved.
It's a Marvel full.
Yeah, no, this one will be saved. But the rest of the rest of this is all trash.
Oh, here's some stuff over here. Can you hold my question?
No, wait until we move the phone. So, right now we're just working on the interior right now, Addison.
Yeah, I'll hang it like here. No.
Just leave it alone. Don't matter, right? Just set it down like as is. Turn it off and sit down. No, you're gonna blind them. Stop. Addison, grab trash.
Okay.
You're gonna blind them. Just put it like that. No, don't do the door right now. Addison, put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Because we're gonna show them when we take it out. Ah! Turn your flashlight off.
Ew.
Whatever. It don't matter. Really? Alright. So there's more trash right here. Some receipts.
We need to take these out. They're really old and they stink.
Well, they don't stink, but
Just take them out.
I'm gonna take them out. Yeah, they've been in here a while.
Been in here for like 3 years or
Yeah, probably about 3 years, yeah. No, about 5 years.
5? We've been here for like 5 years already?
Yeah.
No.
We've been here.
I would have been 5.
Addison, we've been here
We only been here for like
3 weeks. 3.
Why were you saying 3 weeks?
No, 3 years.
I feel like 2.
No.
No, I was in kindergarten. We've been here for a year.
No, we have not.
A year and a half.
Alright, I'm gonna take the duster.
2 years and a half.
No, whatever. Don't matter.
3 years and a half.
Whatever, just shut up.
3 years. Because plus this year. Right?
Whatever, it don't matter. Let's not even argue about it.
They would
so
like
I'm just
not
dusting.
want to. They would not want to watch this video if we started arguing.
They would laugh at it though.
That's cool.
Alright, so I'm just dusting the front.
I'll just hang them right here for right now.
Alright, that'll work.
I guess there's.
Alright, I'm gonna move over here. I'm gonna move. Alright. Alright, so this, I'm bringing it over here. Addison, move them right now.
Hey.
I'm gonna go ahead and do this part. It's really.
Hey, okay, you got that stuck in my head, so it's not my fault.
I'm cleaning it because it's all dusty.
I'll dust up here.
As I said in my last video, why is that not changing? Whoops, whatever. Okay, so doesn't change, what? Okay, that's weird. Sorry about that, guys.
Is this supposed to be?
Yeah. What happened to the mirror? What happened to the mirror? Leave the mirror alone. I want you to leave the mirror alone.
Check Dad's mirror.
Is this mirror fine? There's not even a mirror over there.
Dad had one of
Whatever.
Oh,
Whatever.
I remember when I was 3, Mom popped this. When she was in here. I remember.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Hey, yo.
Shut up.
You just got that stuff in my hand. What's that?
I don't know. Get it.
Ew, no.
Good thing my phone's charging. I just got a 10% thing. When I started out, it was only at 3%. I got this trash. I just put this in the bag. Put this in the bag. Put this in the bag.
What the
Put that in the bag.
heck?
I have to hold a phone. So that's different. The keys are not safe there. I'll put the keys in there.
Yeah. Found the key.
There's a water bottle. I need my flashlight so I can show y'all.
Ugh.
There's a water bottle.
Ew. Tell them about Hurricane Harvey.
Ew! Looks like it's flood water. Ew!
Yeah, ew. It's flood water. Ew.
Put it in the bag.
Tell them about Hurricane Harvey.
Yeah, we drove this truck all the way through Hurricane Harvey, and it went over the hood.
It almost went over the hood, and it almost came into the truck.
It did come in the truck a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
It seeped in just slowly, but whatever. Like
Okay,
the bumper, like I showed you last video.
Like,
that
what
bumper,
would you do if we were driving?
it was splashing over the bumper.
What would you do if we were driving a truck with no doors?
A truck with no. Oh, the whole thing would be ruined. That's what.
If we were in Big Red,
Oof, these are
Big
bad bolts. These are.
we
Oops.
would have everything.
These are bad terminal bolts. Terminal bolts.
Terminal pool.
She's crazy.
Everyone would be wet. What if every single car?
All right,
had
guys. Here's
no-
the old liner to the radio. We have a
What if every single car in the world? What if windows were never made?
See, look.
Like, what would you do if
This
windows were
is
never
the
made?
new liner, right here. That's the new liner.
Guys, link down
Here's the
below.
old liner to it. All right, so
Guys, link down below.
put that in the garage.
We'll just keep it there for now.
Yeah, we'll just put it there for now. I'll leave the USB thing there.
Lane.
Hey
guys, comment down below what you would do if
battery's completely dead because the horn's not working. Horn's completely dead. So the battery's completely dead. I'll try.
What?
Stop! You're gonna break it.
Guys, comment down below what would you do if windows were never made.
Yeah, that would be horrible. Then we'd have dark rooms, or we just have rooms without windows, or we just have holes in the wall.
Oh gosh.
I can't imagine how
The whole
that
house would be flooded in like a day.
is.
If you moved into a house.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything down. So,
I just want to watch that clown movie so bad.
Addison, I want you to hold the phone. Addison, hold the phone for me.
Can I vlog?
Yes, you can vlog, and it has to be sideways because it won't turn.
Sideways?
It won't do that, Addison. It won't go that way.
You know, you just.
All right. So she's recording. I don't know why it won't turn. She thought it could. I did for a second. Just a minute ago, I knew it. But I forgot about that. All right. So anyway, I'm just gonna pop this out.
While you're doing that, can I talk to them for a minute?
No.
Oh.
Not right now because I'm talking to them.
Okay.
All right. Gotta pop this out. There we go.
So what are you doing right there?
Popping the radio out.
What?
What?
How did you do that?
Pop
You better put it back for Dad sees.
He knows about it.
Nay.
Stop.
Oof. That's a really old time speaker. This whole truck is like from like, what year is it?
This is like the newer version.
What year was this made?
I don't know. I think it's...
Here, let me ask Dad because it was his first car.
No, I think it's like a 2000... 2001 maybe? It was like a 2000, 2001 maybe. About that. 2000 to 2001.
5200.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I know what year it was made.
What?
1985.
No! Not even close.
Here, let me ask Dad.
It was Addison. I know what it is.
Daddy!
No, he's on the phone. Shut up. He's on... Stop. He's on the phone. You know how he is when he's on the phone.
Yeah, he won't even let us go over there.
Yeah, because his phone calls are important.
Because he's talking to his girlfriend.
He's trying to say that he doesn't have one, and I know he has one. So.
Yeah, because I heard him say, no, baby.
Alright, so it's off. Just make sure the airbag was off.
Hey, me saying no, baby just made me remember of a song.
Um,
Where are you?
Addison?
Oh. Where does that go?
It's the air vent over here. It's a big hole.
What?
Oh. And now there's a big hole. Ooh, it's dirty in there.
I guess this used to be an air.
No, it wasn't. It's just a little fucking hole. Alright, hold the phone for me.
You're fine.
Hold the phone.
What?
Hold it up here. Alright, so I'm cleaning the dash still.
Can I clean something?
Yeah, I guess.
What can I clean?